friends, today I'm unboxing new headphones from JBL Tune Beam, perfect fit, zero noise, pure bass. They have AFC, active noise, ANC, active noise cancelling, and they say here we have 12 hours per charge plus 36 hours hold the case. I got them on sale in Walmart. Here how it looks, what features they have. You can pause it and read. Water and dust resistant, active noise cancellation with smart ambient reduction, JBL pure bass sound. I like bass, that's why I decided to get them, and they were on sale for only $35 from $69, so I think it's not bad. And let's see, so we come in box like so, and here is the other box that is put, this is put in box, and then here it's some small envelope that we open like so, and here we have quick start guide. So we will read it when we want to connect, safety and warranty card. Not bad. And then they come with the cable to remove here. Cable looks like this, flat and orange, with this kind of connection. Forgot the name. Well, let's open case. So it is JBL black JBL Tune, open like so, it's charged, look like so, left, right, and the charging indication lights. And let's open those. Like this. They looks like this. JBL on the side. Here we have this tip. It can be changed, and here we have additional, like in Apple ones, comes in with additional exchangeable tips, like Apple headphones. So I will read the quick start guide to see how I connect it with the laptop, for example. So you can download the app. It will give you more control, so I will do it later. How to wear. You can wear this way, or the twisted way. Okay, I connected them. It says connected. when I click on here, it says ambient aware when I hear myself. When I click again, it says noise cancelling. Really? Wow. Seems good quality, but I hear, but I don't know what I'm hearing. Let's put some music. So I will go to my music playlist. But I will switch to ambient hour. Let's go to some music. Where's my playlist? I think they are not bad for the price, especially on sale. So I'm happy I've got them, as they will be additional pair to my Apple Pro, as Apple Pro sometimes are discharged, and then this one's charging fast according to that instruction. 15 minutes give charge for how long? For 4 hours. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, that's my headphones that I unboxed, JBL Pure Bass. You can download that app. We have the touch control, JBL equalizer. So I will try to do it in app. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.